Hello lovely people, how are you guys doing? What's up? In today's video I'm actually going to be recreating a look that I found on Instagram. It's been like 70 million years since I last did a video like that. Dinosaurs still existed. No, it's been probably like 8 months or something. I know you guys have been waiting for a video like that. Throughout those whole 8 months, literally 3 people requested a video like that. So I'm doing this for you guys, for the 3 of you out there. It's probably the same person from 3 different accounts, but hey, I'm counting them as 3 different people. Makes me feel better. Cheers. Hydrate yourself. That water was very cold. So this right here is the look that I'm gonna try to recreate today. It's by Katie Elizabeth Butt and it's an illusion. I've never done an illusion before, so that's going to be very challenging, very interesting, and probably very messy. Drawing those eyes will be a nightmare. I will have a link to her Instagram down in the description box. Guys, please go follow her. She's almost at 400,000 followers, but honestly, I think that she deserves so much more. She's constantly coming up with super creative ideas, super interesting concepts, and her work is absolutely amazing. She's awesome. Go follow her. Okay, alright. I have no idea where to start. I think that I'm gonna start off... I'm planning on starting off with my brows. Ow, why is that spoolie so scratchy? So basically, I will need to get rid of my brows. Usually people use glue for this, but I don't have glue. Look, I never had to make my brows disappear before, so I don't have the tools to do that. I'm trying to work with my hair gel that I usually use on my brows. It's really strong, so I'm hoping that it will do the job. I have very long brow hairs. My eyebrows have been through a lot lately, and I mean a lot. If you don't trust me, just watch my previous video. Come on, stick. I really hope that I'll be able to unstick my brows after this. Imagine if they stick to my skin like this forever. Hey, I think that this actually worked. There's that one very annoying brow hair that doesn't want to be tamed, so it had to be punished. All the betrayers are being punished. Look at those brows. Look at those brows. Just tell me why all the evil characters in movies and cartoons have eyebrows like this. Okay, so next up, I'm gonna take a white pencil and I'm gonna try to kind of start mapping out where everything is. She also has small tutorials, small videos for the looks that she's creating, which is so cool. Okay, so I guess I'm gonna just start like this. I don't know if I'm supposed to do it this way, but it's a lot more complicated than I thought. I don't really have white paint, so I was thinking, okay, I need to DIY it, but how do I do it? I have some white paint, but I don't have pink one. And when I try to mix my red paint with the white one, it's not giving me the right pink shade that I want. So I thought maybe I can take some of my white paint and mix it with some pink lipstick. I have no idea how this will work, but at least it will be long lasting, so that's nice. I'm gonna try to create nice little mixture here on the back of my hand. Okay, I'm super nervous. This is so much fun. I don't think that this was a good idea to use so closely to my eyes. Really need to get this into my nose. My boogers will be pink tomorrow. Ew, that's gross. Oh, now I see that she actually mentions that she got inspired for this look by Yayy. I'm gonna have a link for their Instagram page down in the description box as well. But this is what we have so far. This is the part of this whole look that I hate the most. I like how I'm saying this with a huge smile on my face. But I don't like this part of the look because it's green. And I don't like green. Green is hunting me, you guys. Please send help. I don't know what's going on, but no matter what I try to do, green is always there. I would highly suggest you to go and check out my previous video, unless you're someone who likes green. If that's the case, never watch that video. Now it's the worst time to try to film a video like this, because all my brushes are dirty. I like that now that I have my press-on nails, I can just... Oh, look at that perfect shade of green. Okay, here comes green. Oh, I didn't thought of that. Look at my brows being green again. I think that I know why I don't like green. I'm like that ever since I was a kid. Green was never my type of color. It reminds me so much of frogs, and I don't like frogs. I don't like the way that they spend their life. They're just sitting, staring at nothing. And if you're close to them, you don't know what they're thinking. Will they attack you? Are they looking for food? Are you the food? You don't know. They're so mysterious, or otherwise said, creepy. They're creepy. They don't have expressions. That is so scary. And also they're very, like, their skin is so, like, bumpy and green, and you know, It's just that green doesn't remind me of anything good. It always reminds me of something gross, like frogs, baby poo. I'm sorry if you're watching this video while eating. Green smoothie. But if you really think about it, nothing that comes in colors like blue, purple, pink, nothing that comes in those colors is disgusting. Everything that comes in those colors is pretty. I'm gonna start doing the eye makeup. At least this is something that I know how to do. Everything else is so much more complicated than I thought. My face looks like a walkway right now. I'm gonna place some dark pink shade in the outer corner here. I had to let my camera charge for a while because it was running out of battery, and meanwhile I finished the eye makeup, which is not the most interesting part of this whole look, and I also did the sides of my face. See? Bloop, bloop. I also need to paint my neck pink. And now I'm gonna go ahead and take some of this green shade. Adding shadows and highlights, it works like magic. It brings the look to life. Alright, looks pretty good. Maybe I can do some touch-ups later on, but so far, it's pretty good. This is the part I'm most nervous about. It's the eyes, not my eyes. The fake eyes that I'll need to draw. Okay, so from here to here. Oh, that's a big eye. I think that I should focus on one eye at a time. Brows don't get in my way. I'm gonna try to create the pupil. Pupil? The pupil.
Pupil.
Oh, there you go. Okay. Why did I say pupil? Pupil sounds so much better though. Sounds so adorable. Pupil. I don't know if this is what I'm supposed to do, but I want to do the eyeliner, so I'm gonna do the eyeliner. Boom, baby, there you go. Eyeliner. Oh my god, even the eyeliner is horrible. It doesn't really look like my eye, but that's okay. It's enough for me that it looks like an eye. Oh, you know what? Let's do some lashes. That will really turn it into an eye. I will add some highlights in the eyes. Hopefully that will make them a little bit more realistic. Some highlighter in the inner corner. That will help. You like my eyes? My eyes are up here, and here, and here. Well, soon they'll be there too. We're still in progress. It literally took me 1 hour to do these two eyes. And I don't know how I feel about them. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna glue on some falsies on them. She didn't apply any false lashes on her fake eyes, but I'm gonna apply some fake lashes on my fake eyes. I can't believe I'm gluing on false lashes on my forehead. How do I do that? Look how crazy it looks. I have double lashes, and in a while I'm gonna have triple lashes. Oh my god, this is so much fun. I don't know why I have makeup even on my palm. I'm gonna kind of start from the beginning here. I wanted eyes. I got avocado instead. I'm really concentrated while doing that. I'm barely talking. That's not in my character. I can talk for hours about random stuff, but look at me today. Really trying to concentrate. This is difficult, you guys. Oh no. My nail fell off. I mean, I kind of helped it there, but I have that odd feeling that my face will be stained with pink and green lines once I take all of this off. That was hot. I burned my tongue. I'll probably have an Instagram video taking this off, so if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, you should go ahead and do it now. I can't believe that gluing on falsies on my cheeks and on my forehead is so much more difficult than gluing them on my eyes. Whoa, this feels uncomfortable because the lashes on my lower eyes are touching the lower lashes of my mid eyes. There are so many details. I constantly feel like I can keep on adding shadows and highlights and kind of making it better. I don't know when I should stop. The only thing I know though is that the eyes are probably not gonna get more realistic than that. This is all I can do. It's so weird because I can actually see the lashes on my lower eyes. Guys, imagine we actually had 6 eyes. We're now complaining that doing an eyeliner evenly on both of our eyes is difficult. Imagine having to do eyeliner on 6 eyes. 3 pairs of eyes. 6 eyeliners in total. Eyeliner would probably not exist. Nobody would have the time to do eyeliner on 6 eyes. I think that now is a good time to paint my neck. I know from now that I won't be able to properly take this off my neck. My pillow will be covered in pink tomorrow. Well. Look who is going to be green again. My lips. Let me remind you the last time I painted them green. It was not that long ago, just in my previous video.
It just doesn't feel right.
Someone was not happy. Whoa. Oh, guys, look at those lashes. I have so many of them. This is crazy. I'm absolutely loving it. Oh, you look flawless today. Looks like we have 2 imposters here. I mean, 2 pairs of imposters. It's actually 4 of them. I can feel my pores choking in all of that liquid lipstick and paint that I have on my face. So I think that we're pretty much done. I don't think that I have anything else to do. What do you guys think? Does it make you dizzy? Oh my god, if you're drunk watching this video, you're probably losing your mind now. Calm down, breathe in, breathe out. Everything is fine, it's just makeup. Okay guys, I want to try to do something in post-editing, okay? And if you reached this part of the video, I want you to leave me this emoji down in the comments. Okay, you ready? It's gonna be weird. Let's try to make it even more freaky. Okay, here we go. You dizzy? Did I make you question your own eyes? That's good. I love editing. I love it. What do you guys think? I think that hers is absolutely perfect. I can see that I have so many things that I could have done better, but for a first attempt, I think that it's not that bad. Her natural eye color is blue, so all her eyes are blue, but my natural eye color is brown, so I decided to do my fake eyes brown as well so that they would match my real eyes. She's an absolute pro at what she's doing. Definitely go follow her. I honestly think that more people should see her work because she's putting so much effort in her content. Do you think that if we had 6 eyes we would actually have better vision? Our glasses would have been so different. We would have 6 glasses. I mean, yeah, you get what I'm trying to say. That's so much glass that you can possibly break. And false lashes would come in a pack of 6 instead of 2. For all your eyes, you know? Do you think that mascaras would be a bigger size? Because you know, now you have 6 eyes. Every time you use it, you're using it on 6 eyes. So the tube probably should contain more product now. Imagine having to do the 1 dip challenge on 6 eyes. How about no? I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and if you want to see more of me, you can follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. I also have a second channel here on YouTube where I'm posting food videos, and I don't know, whatever comes to my mind. Mainly food, because that's what I have on my mind all the time. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Bye!